Hello, fellow traders. An update on the trade. Yesterday we were going down, but then it moved up. Today is another turning point, um, and I still believe we are going down, but that doesn't mean I would not close this position if, for example, we go over 383 on the weekly, which is will take out the high or last, um, you know, on the last high. So, I made the trade, but then if we go above 383 and close about 383, then, I take my losses and then, go back. So that's the beauty of, getting in close to reversals, that you have limited, exposure to risk. 383 and 30, I think, is the weekly, and 383 is the daily, or the opposite. Anyway, regardless, um, that's what it moved up a bit today, but it's I cannot even trade it now, so I'm not worried about it. But I just wanted to make an update, so to demonstrate that you can be wrong. Um, but when you mitigate risk and reward, you are better off in your trade. My reward is going to 120 on the monthly level, right? And 280 on the daily level. So that's quite a 20-30% move. Good luck and happy Friday.